Welcome to our channel, Hey Brothers.
The brother squad is here. Hey guys, welcome back to Hey Brothers. And now we're doing a bowling test. Yes, and it's going to be very slippery. Okay, so let's get started. Hey brother squad is here. Hey, how are you? We are making new videos of making the first set of bowling. Be there. And Umia is recording it. Umia, come out of the stop holding the camera. I'm going to hold the camera now.
First, your turn. 5 chances.
Mine
Oh, you have 5 chances. Okay.
What all of it?
What?
What all of it?
How you did that?
I'm going here.
Hey, don't look at butterfly. You're playing bowling. So now it's my chance. And I need to arrange these bottles first. Okay, so how much? It's hot. So man, and now I need to arrange them. Let's me arrange. So it's done. Now here is Soham. Now it's your second turn. And he dodged all 4. Let me just quickly do it. It's done. Now there is Soham doing his third chance. Oh no! He threw it all the way to this wall. So now Soham, you have 6 and 4. Means 10 points you have and 3 chances. Oh, 2 chances. So let's see. He dodged all 4 again. How many points you have now? Yeah. How much? You did 5. What? What? So I'm done. Now, Soham, how many points you have now? 19 and 5 balls. Okay, I will try to do my best in the next part. Bye.